Glamzonia Bunnies, is me, Destiny Shay Glamzonia. So this week what I decided to do is start my cosplay journey. I really like cosplay, I'm not gonna even lie, even though I'm kind of scary depending on the type of makeup. Like if you dress up a certain way when I go to Comic-Con conventions, I actually run away from you. It's sad, I'm pathetic. Yeah, so I actually wanted to start it this week, so stay tuned to watch me do my very first eye makeup. Yeah, we're gonna try it. You're gonna laugh at me. It's cool. I'm gonna look stupid, but you know, it's the first. Oh my god, it's the first time. Don't judge me too much, okay? Okay, so what I actually did was I went on YouTube and I just typed in like cosplay makeup tutorials, and I located this girl. Her name is zWinnie. Yap, and her stuff is very amazing. Like the way she does it between like 5 to 7 minutes. She makes it seem very easy. So what I'm actually nervous about is the fact that it's eye makeup, and like my skin, as you can tell, I break out a lot. Yeah, I'm prone to breaking out and having rashes. I have sensitive skin, so that's what I'm kind of nervous about. Is when I mess up, of course you gotta wipe off, but how many wipe offs I'm gonna do? So I'm gonna try with one eye first, my right eye, and if that doesn't work and I wear this one out, then I'll go to my left. Hopefully we don't get that far and I could just suck it up with this right eye, but we'll see. There's no way it's gonna look like that. I don't believe in myself for it to look that amazing, like at all. I'm gonna look a hot mess. I'm gonna look like somebody beat me up, but I know how to fight. But I'm gonna look like somebody beat me up. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. I don't have any glue, but I do have eyebrow gel, so I'm trying to see if I can do that. Let me grab it. Of course, Destiny, you wouldn't be you. It's stuck. All right. Thank you. Paintbrush. Yeah, some arts and crafty. Okay, so I have this, and so normally what I do, I just brush my eyebrows up. As you can tell, they're really thin. Hers thin too though, so hopefully this works. I get, okay, I actually spray it just to get it a little wet. Okay, come on, one spray, here we go. Kind of like dig in there. And yes, this is thangy for eyelashes. Mind your business. Mind your business, okay? All right, so she please lay down. Is this working? Let me see. Okay, so we're laying down flat. Yazers. Okay. I think that's pretty flat. Yeah. Okay. So I try to sometimes too, like press it down. I don't know if they were supposed to just lay a certain way. Oh, that scared me. Ooh, I almost woke my dog. I don't know if they were supposed to lay a certain way. But here we... Right, that's it. Okay, so she's using, I think that's translucent powder, but I don't have that. But I do have setting powder in the color Buttercup. So I'm gonna use that instead and see if I set it, what will happen. Hopefully this works for me. I'm gonna try to get a random brush, like a flat one like this, to pat it in. Okay. Okay. I don't know if she put this much as me. Believe it or not, already I've like rewind the same intro part of it and had to pause it. Okay. Now this probably is too much. So let me see. I need to wipe it off some. Going in with this brush. So I have this, my tarp. No, she's just using her finger, but I'm not a fan. So of using my finger. I probably put too much. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Okay. Okay. Had that in. It doesn't look half bad. And also too, the reason why I look rough is because it's actually like 4 in the morning. Well, 5 in the morning, see the sun. So yeah, it's like 5 in the morning. I couldn't sleep. So I'm just going to do this instead. And my dog's going to be mad at me because he sleeps with me. But oh well. I think we're getting somewhere. But yeah, that's why I got my bunny on and stuff like that. Okay. I'm getting a little insecure. Just a little. But maybe one more time. Just one more time with the concealer. Have to rewind. I'm gonna have to rewind for the 15th time already. Oh my goodness. Cause I think that is concealer she's flapping on top. Okay. Okay, so then I think she used foundation. Don't quote me. Don't quote me, girl. Oop. Alright. I'm excited. I hope this works. Because I ain't gonna know how to act if I cover up my eyebrow. Cause this is medium to full coverage, so we're gonna blame the foundation. I'm gonna keep. I mean, it kind of. It's not blending. It's not blending. You can still see it. Well, you can see hers a little bit. I look ridiculous. Like, how did she do that? Okay, we can go to the next step because we're gonna get this. It just, like, okay. Now that I have this mirror right here, I did a decent job. Destiny. Ah! I don't know what dance it is. Okay. So she just did a straight line on my mama, bro. Y'all not finna. So down here in Arkansas, we are staying. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Like I'm finna just like power up. I'm excited. Okay. Try to go in with a brown like she did. Rewind this one more time. I suck, I know. But she goes like this, I think. It's not bad. It's not bad. I think I'm doing decent. Just for her to like add warmth. But I mean, she did. Because my colors are neon. I really love neon colors. So I'm just going to tap just a little. Okay. Yeah. I think it was for warm. But you know, it is what it is. Yeah, because that yellow, where is it? Where is it, sus? Where is it? But of course I didn't put on, you know, like concealer and the putty, white putty that you normally do. Yeah. Oh, this is how I dust off excess powder from eyeshadows. Okay. I learned that from one of my favorite drag queens, Peppermint. Y'all, I'm getting excited. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I'm finna tutor tutors. Okay? Now, she did... Oh, let me look at this one more time. It looked like she, like, lined her eye with, like, some type of cream gel or something. And then she buffed it out and probably put a little black eyeshadow in it as well. But I'm going to just use black eyeshadow. Dang, I'm just stuttering. And I kind of suck at this. Let me see if I can... Yeah, I suck at this. Like, I need two... I need two hands when I do this. Let me see. Because how does she do that? Okay. Okay, that's looking better. Okay. Okay. Now she get to getting crafty on me. Okay. One. And then she drew another line, something like this. Ooh, It's cool. It's I need a bigger mirror because it's the mirror that's the issue, not me. I think it turned out pretty great for my first time. Okay, now I do have some mistakes, okay, like the 2 dots, and I feel like my brow gel that I have, because my hair is thin but it's kind of like thick, if that makes sense. So this is my hair right here, like my actual hair. So I do know that I need to invest into like getting an actual glue stick, which I wasn't trying to do, but for it to be my first time, I did good. I'm excited. Now that I know, it took me, I wanted this 3-minute video, 3 minutes and 28 seconds, 15 times. But I did okay. Now, it do look like a hot mess. Yeah, like like it was hot outside type of thing, but I'm proud of me. I can't do too much, everybody sleep. Oh, God, Disney. So I'll see you guys another time. I'm actually going to do a series where I'm doing like just her eye makeups until, okay? Until like I'm a beast. I always do. Well, I'll see you guys next time. And like I always say, I always try to be, and look at my phone. Well, I'll see you guys next time. And like I always say, be happy. Always try to keep smiling. You have a nice, wonderful day. I'm glad you guys stopped by and watched my video. You have a nice rest of your day, Glamzonia Bunnies.